Hi guys, I'm going to discuss about what is Python. So in this series of videos, we are going to cover Python and what is the purpose of Python and we are using and how to work with the Python language, and it will give you like example of basics to advanced. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start. What is the purpose of Python? Why we are using? Okay, so basically, Python is a high-level programming language. It is closer to human language than machine code. Make it easy to learn and read. So general purpose, it is versatile and can be used for various tasks from web development to data science. And it is like an open source to use and distribute with a large community contribution to its development. So it is also interpreted means it does not need to compile before running and making development faster, and it supports object-oriented programming, a way of organizing code to make it more modular and reusable. Simple guys, what it means is come this slide. So basically, Python is a high-level programming language. It is similar like uh, Java, C++ language, but when compared to those languages, it is very easy to learn, and it may be like for human also it is easy to read also, guys. And that is the main thing. Okay, and it is also supporting like web development to data science. You can utilize for the data engineering also, and you can use like some scenarios where you have to use for the data science and as well as machine learning purpose and AI also you can utilize it. And apart from this, and it is like open source, so it means it is free to use and distribute with large community contribute to the its development. Mostly, if you see the most libraries are nowadays we are getting from Python or more, so it means like it is open source, right? So anybody can involve on this open source project and they can contribute their skills and make them develop also, guys. And one more thing, and it is interpreted, it does not need to compile before running, make development faster. And it is like object-oriented language, like similar like Java. So you can organize your code, make it easy, more modular and reusable. So this is the main thing about Python. Now, why Python is popular? So basically, there are certain things are that in the why popular is Python. So readable, it is clear syntax, make it easy to understand and maintain the code, and extensibility. So as I said already, so we have vast collection of pre-written modules, functions that simply complex stuff. And the it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, and other operating system also. And it has like larger communities which is of users and developer providing support and reuse resources. So real world example of Python. For example, if you want to utilize the Python for web development, you can work with like framework Django and Flask, make it efficient to build web application API and backend systems. So websites like Instagram, Pinterest, and the Washington Post uses Python recommended systems and more. And system administration use Python to automate server configuration and maintenance. So there are many scenarios out there where Python are using more. And apart from this, now we can see in data science and machine learning also mostly use like Python, like NumPy, Pandas, SciencePy library, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provide powerful tool for data analysis, manipulation, and visualization and machine learning. So used in scientific research, financial modeling, and fraud detection. So these are the key things which are using in the data science purpose. So we have also for data engineering purpose where you can like some ETL process you want to do, like joins and lookup, right, ranking. You want to apply some transformations on the data, so you can utilize the Python with help of PySpark. Okay, so this is about the what is Python, why we are using, and the key highlights, guys. So next video I will discuss about more on the Python. Thank you, guys.